If your coffee routine feels a little boring lately, then this pour over coffee maker from Polydremio will definitely change that for you. Hey guys, it's Rebecca WTI, and there's something about making coffee this way that just feels so much more premium and relaxing. My coffee tastes so rich, smooth, and fresh every single morning now. One thing I really love is that it comes with extra filters, which is super practical. It's also really easy to use. All I need to do is place one of the filters into the dripper, rinse the filter with hot water, dump the water out, and add my ground coffee into the filter. Then I slowly pour the hot water over the coffee and it starts dripping right away. I also love the sleek cafe style design. The combination of the clear glass and walnut gives it such a chic and sophisticated look that makes brewing coffee feel like a whole experience. And it honestly looks so beautiful on my countertop. I personally love that I can control the strength of my coffee depending on how I brew it, and it makes delicious coffee while still making my kitchen feel a little more aesthetic. And that's just my point of view.